Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the top 5 best mechanical keyboards in 2026, perfect for gaming, typing, and productivity. I'll cover the key features, performance, pros and cons, and help you decide which one is best for you. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. SteelSeries Apex 5 Hybrid Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. First up, we have the SteelSeries Apex 5 Hybrid Mechanical Keyboard. It features hybrid blue mechanical switches, per-key RGB lighting, aircraft-grade aluminum frame, and a built-in OLED smart display for quick settings and notifications. This keyboard delivers a great balance between mechanical feel and affordability. The hybrid switches provide tactile feedback with quieter operation than traditional mechanical switches. The OLED display is a unique feature that shows game info, system stats, or custom images. Pros: premium aluminum build quality, OLED smart display feature, comfortable tactile hybrid switches, bright per-key RGB lighting. Cons: not fully mechanical switches, wired connection only. Overall, the SteelSeries Apex 5 is perfect for gamers wanting premium features at a reasonable price. Number 2. RK Royal KLUDGE S98 Mechanical Keyboard. Next is the RK Royal KLUDGE S98, a 96% layout wireless mechanical keyboard with a smart display and control knob. It supports Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C connectivity with hot-swappable switches. This keyboard is extremely versatile. The creamy typing sound, compact layout, and multi-device support make it great for both work and gaming. The hot-swappable feature allows easy switch customization. Pros: wireless tri-mode connectivity, hot-swappable switches, compact 96% layout saves space, smart display and control knob, smooth and quiet typing experience. Cons: software can be limited. Display customization is basic. If you want flexibility, customization, and wireless performance, the RK S98 is a strong choice. Number 3. Logitech G Pro Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The Logitech G Pro Mechanical Keyboard is designed for esports players. It features a 10-keyless design, detachable cable, and light sync RGB lighting. This keyboard focuses on performance and portability. The compact design gives more mouse space, making it ideal for competitive gaming. The build quality is solid and key response is extremely fast. Pros: compact 10-keyless design, great for competitive gaming, reliable build quality, bright customizable RGB lighting, portable and lightweight. Cons: no wireless option, limited extra features. For serious gamers who want top-tier gaming performance and premium quality, the Logitech G Pro is one of the best options available. Number 4. AULA F99 Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. The AULA F99 is a tri-mode wireless mechanical keyboard supporting Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz, and USB-C. It comes with hot-swappable switches, pre-lubed linear switches, and RGB lighting. This keyboard offers excellent value with smooth keystrokes and quiet operation. It works across multiple devices, including PC, tablet, and gaming consoles, making it highly versatile. Pros: affordable price, tri-mode wireless connectivity, hot-swappable switches, smooth pre-lubed linear switches, multi-device compatibility. Cons: build quality is not premium. RGB customization is basic. The AULA F99 is ideal for users looking for a budget-friendly wireless keyboard. Number 5. Corsair K70 RGB PRO Mechanical Keyboard. Finally, we have the Corsair K70 RGB PRO featuring Cherry MX speed switches, 8,000 Hz hyperpolling, durable PBT caps, and a comfortable palm rest included. This is one of the fastest keyboards available, built specifically for high-performance gaming. The typing experience is smooth, responsive, and extremely precise.
The build quality and customization options are top tier. Pros: ultra-fast Cherry MX speed switches, premium build and design, 8000 Hz hyperpolling for low latency, durable PBT caps, comfortable palm rest included. Cons: wired only. If you want top-tier gaming performance and premium quality, the Corsair K70 RGB PRO is one of the best options available. Thanks for watching. Links to all products are in the description below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews. See you in the next video.